My name is Lena Watford, Tuscaloosa, Alabama. I was experiencing some pain in my knee, and I had several x-rays and an MRI, and they found I had a meniscus tear as well as some arthritis in my knee. I had knee surgery on July the 9th, 2018 at DCH Hospital in Northport. And within 2 weeks' time, I was walking. I would recommend DCH because I had such a success with my surgery. Ever since the beginning of me trying to figure out what was wrong with my knee, I got good services from everybody, all the people that I contacted and talked to. And they gave me good advice, and that helped me decide to get it taken care of and get this knee working. I'm glad I did. I don't have that pain, so I'm doing real well.
The DCH Comprehensive Joint Program, keeping bodies in motion.